Yes, sir.
What will be the output? First question number one. Is it visible to you?
Pointers.
So in a circular linked list organization, insertion of a record involves modification of how many pointers?
Two
Pointers.
pointers.
Two
Two
pointers.
pointers. But how two pointers? So let this is a node circular linked list. It is A. Second one, let this is your B. Okay, and let this is last node C. As this is circular, so there is a connection from C to A to B, and then B to C. Okay. Now insert next pointer, next node D in between B and C. So how many pointers will be affected? So first pointer will be this one, and second pointer will be this one. So two pointers will be there. So break this pointer, and this is your first pointer, this is your second pointer. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So second one, linked list are not suitable data structure for which of the following problems?
Binary search.
Binary search.
Why binary search?
Binary search there requires division in equal to halves, which we can't do in linked list. We can do
Yes,
it in array.
yes. So for linked list is not suitable for binary search because it takes order of uh, uh, insertion sort, radix sort, polynomial manipulation, A, B, A, C, and D. Both options are taking in their best case order of n, but binary search is always order of log n. That's why it is not suitable. Okay. So next one, 4.3. Any question, any confusion regarding question number 1 and 2? Please clarify. Now question number 3. What will be the answer? Question number 3. Very easy. Anyone? Any idea? In worst case situation, the number of comparison needed to search a single linked list of length n. N is the number of nodes. So worst case. So this question is similar to array. In worst case situation, number of comparison needed to search a particular node in an array of length n. Both have same answer. Question answer
N.
number D. N. Okay. Now 4.4. What will be the answer? 4.4. Please do it in your uh, paper. So this is the structure name item. Item has two parts. First part is the data part, and second part is the pointer part, next part. That's why item is a self-referencing data structure. Okay. Now function, in function, and a pointer of type item structure is passed as the argument of your function. Now return. So it return null, or its next part is null, or if p arrow data is less than equals to p next arrow data, and function of the next part of your p, next node of next node. So for a given linked list P, the function f returns 1 if and only if. So what will be the answer? Anyone?
Sir, B.
Why not A?
Sir, A will do too. But like for that P data is less than equals to P next data. For that comparison, we need at least two elements.
So anyone else? Why answer A is not correct? Any idea?
So in case of odd case, if the first element, मतलब um comparison is right, like t equal to null, it means array is empty, then it will simply return one, right? It won't go to the next condition. I
Hmm.
think it's A.
For a given linked list, this function f, for a given linked list, the function name is f. It is it returns 1 if and only if all the elements of your given linked list are not empty and they are arranged in some non-decreasing order. Non-decreasing order means increasing order. Okay. So it returns 1 it returns 1 if first data is less than next data and it proceed for the next part, so that it scans all the list starting from first node to the last node. So the answer is the elements in the list are sorted in non-decreasing order of values. Answer number 3 is absolutely false, because non-increasing order of data value, but the condition is given that p data is less than the p next data. So for non-decreasing order this is false, for non-increasing order this is false. So let first node is 2, next node is 1. So p data is less than p next data. So 2 is less than equals to 1. False. That's why C is incorrect. Not all the elements in the list have same data value. But it is not clearly mentioned that the order. So D is not correct.
So D can be true, cannot be true.
Yes, can be true, cannot be true. It is incomplete information, because not all the elements in the list have same data value. The order is not mentioned. So among 4 options, the most appropriate, not fully correct, most appropriate answer is the elements in the list are sorted and non-decreasing order of data values. So answer number B. Yes, answer number B is correct. Now 4.5. So 4.5. So what will be the answer? 4.5. Let P be a single linked list, okay, and Q be a pointer to an intermediate node X in the list, okay. What is the worst case time complexity for best known algorithm to delete X from the list? So
So worst case is ON.
order of n, row. Rohan, are you there? Rohan?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the answer? 4.5?
So looking at it.
Any idea?
The order of n, কারণ কি ফার্স্ট নোডের পরেই যদি করি মানে যদি আমরা সেকেন্ড নোডে ওখানে ইনসার্ট করতে পারি তাহলেই ওখানে অর্ডার অফ 1 হবে। আর তারপর থেকে মাঝখানে যেখানেই করি আমাদের তো ট্রাভেলস করতেই হচ্ছে n খানা এলিমেন্ট,
Delete.
তো
Delete. Yes.
ইন্টারমিডিয়েট
Yes.
হচ্ছে অর্ডার অফ n হবে।
Yes. Order of n. Suppose we are interested for deletion of this B. Node
ও
number
ও সৃজিতা আজকে
B. Suppose we want to delete B. So we have to traverse a number of elements. Here B is at second position. That's why n is 1. But if you want to delete the last node C, we have to traverse up to first from the last one. That's why order of n number of nodes will be traversed. So the complexity is order of n. Okay. 4.8. What will be the answer for 4.8? Is sorry, 4.6. So 4.6, is it visible? 4.6.
স্যার একটু বড় করবেন
বড় করলে আর নিচটা দেখতে পারবে না,
তাও
দেখা যাচ্ছে না একদম।
স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে মানে হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে
হ্যাঁ দাঁড়াও, এখানে একটা লাস্ট একটা ব্র্যাকেট হবে, এটুকু খেয়াল রাখবে। ওকে, এটা ভেবে বলো তো কি হবে।
ইয়েস স্যার
এনি আইডিয়া, এনিওয়ান?
স্যার এটাতে কি দুটো দুটো এলিমেন্ট সুইচ হচ্ছে মানে 1 2 সুইচ হচ্ছে তারপর 4 3 সুইচ হচ্ছে 5 6 সুইচ হচ্ছে
হ্যাঁ
এরকম
স্যার ওরকম করে
তারপর
এই লাস্ট লাইনটা বেশ বুঝতে পারছি না ওয়াইল কিউর
কোয়েশ্চেন মার্কের বেলাটা বুঝতে পারছি
কোন কোন লাইনটা? ওই কিউ ইজিক্যাল
কিউ
টু
ইকুয়ালস টু পি কোয়েশ্চেন
এ বাবা, এটা কন্ডিশনাল অপারেটর।
হ্যাঁ কন্ডিশনাল
হ্যাঁ
অপারেটর ওটা
ওটা
জানি
বুঝতে পারছি
মানে কিউ ইকুয়ালস টু পি তো হবেই না কারণ কি
না
পি কে কিউ নেক্সট করছি আমরা সো অবভিয়াসলি কিউ ইকুয়ালস টু পি তো কোনোদিনই হবে না
না, তাহলে
তো
কি
কিউ
কি
ইকুয়ালস
রিটার্ন
টু
করবে?
0
জিরো।
হ্যাঁ তো ও কিউ ইকুয়ালস টু 0 হয়ে গেলে ওয়াইল লুপ থেকে বেরিয়ে যাবে yes
তাহলে 7 এর কি হবে?
তাহলে শুধু একবারই সুইচ হবে জিনিসটা
আউটপুট কি আসবে? 7 এর কি হবে? আউটপুট কি হবে?
এর কিছুই হবে না এটা তো
স্যার 2 1 3 4 5 6 7
2 1
3 4 5 6 7 কারণ একবারই তো লুপটা রান করবে
হ্যাঁ ওটাই মনে হচ্ছে
2
বাট
1
4 3 6 5 মানে সবকটাই সুইচ হচ্ছে
সবকটা সুইচ হবে?
না সেটাই তো
ভালো করে ভেবে বলো কি হবে। অ্যান্সার তো অলরেডি দিয়েই দিয়েছে, সৌরাশিস তো মনে হয় না জেনেই দিয়ে দিয়েছে একবার অ্যান্সার।
আচ্ছা, ওটাই হবে।
পার মানে পুরো অ্যান্সার দিয়েও পার্শিয়ালি ট্রু করে বসে আছে। লাস্টে হোয়াট অ্যাবাউট 7, মাই কোশ্চেন, আমার হিন্টসটা আমি দিলাম, হোয়াট অ্যাবাউট 7।
সেভেনটা ওখানেই থাকবে, মানে সেভেন while কিউ যখন আমরা চেক করছি, সেভেন তো পি এর নেক্সট রয়েছে না?
হ্যাঁ হলো তো, ঠিকই তো। while q is equal to 0, তারপর
তো কিউ ইকুয়ালস টু জিরো হলে তো লুপে ঢুকবে না,
তাহলে কি হবে?
বেরিয়ে যাবে তো, পুরো ফাংশন থেকে বেরিয়ে যাবে, কারণ কি ওখানে তো শেষ হয়ে যাচ্ছে ফাংশন while এর পরে। তো আগে যেটা ছিল ওইটাই থেকে যাবে, মানে সেভেনের পজিশন চেঞ্জ হবে না।
তাহলে আউটপুট কি হবে?
214367।
yes, this is the output, this is the output. Any doubts anyone? Then I will explain. আর কারোর কিছু বলার আছে কি?
স্যার কিন্তু মানে আমি এটা বললাম বটে, কিন্তু আমি একটা জিনিস বলছি যে ফার্স্ট ইটারেশনের পরেই তো কিউ এর ভ্যালু জিরো হয়ে যাবে।
কেন? 1 2 the node structure is given, okay, value and next part. Now void rearrange. So inside the rearrange, this line will not be executed first. Your
Yes, sir.
list is not empty. Okay, so this line will not be executed first. Now p is equal to list and q is equal to list text. So this is your p, this is your q, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now why q? Q is true. Yes, q is true. Q contains an element. Q is not null. Okay, so first swap p and q. So p is copied in temp and then q is copied in p. Finally, temp is copied in q. Okay, and then q next is copied in p. So this is for advance. And finally, q is equal to p. If not, then if q is equal to p, then proceed. So, Shourashish, can you explain these two lines? P, last line and before the last line.
Sir,
Here,
here
the proceed case is defined in last two lines. Can you explain?
sir, here first of all, in the fourth line, P will be in Q next. That means P will be 3.
P will
Uh,
be 3.
yeah, P will be at 3. Q
Okay.
next.
Okay.
And then we are checking Q equals to P. So obviously this is not true. So Q will be 0. That is why I was asking that in the first iteration itself Q will become 0. How come we are proceeding?
So first P and Q are swapped. So first P and Q are swapped. Okay, these are swapped, and the new values are this is your 2 and this is your 1. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what will be the next position of P?
3.
Why 3?
P equals to Q next.
Q is swapped.
So it's only the value that is swapped.
The
The
value is
pointer
swapped.
is there only. It's only the pointer is swapped. No? Sorry, only the value is swapped. Pointer isn't swapped.
So this is your P pointer, and this is your Q pointer. Okay,
Yeah.
P pointer, Q pointer. The values are swapped. Okay, so that's why
Yeah.
2 and 1.
Yeah.
And then P is advanced. Actually, these lines means P is equal to Q arrow next. P is equal to Q arrow next. If Q is equal to P,
So
then
if the fourth line is P equals to P next, then it will work. This thing will work. But if P equals to Q next, then it will skip one node and will go to the next node. Q will never be equal to P, but in this case.
actually the output is reversing, swapping. Okay, so first P 2 and 1 are swapped, and then these 3 and 4 are swapped, then 5 and 6 are swapped, but at the last stage, Q is equal to P. This will be false, and that's why return 0, and 7 will be left. So output, that's why output is 2, 1, then 4, 3, then 6, 5. So these are the swapped pair 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5, and this is 7. Okay, I think this should be P is equal to P arrow next. If P is equal to P arrow next, yes, you are right. If P is equal to P arrow next,
I,
Hello.
sir, I think I was doing a mistake actually. Uh, because here when we are like Q equals to P question mark P next, we are just checking the value of P. We are not comparing it with Q actually. Actually, I was doing a mistake. We are checking if P has a value or not. If it has a
If
value,
P is not equal to 0, then it will always be true.
yeah. Actually, I think I was doing a mistake. If P has a value, then it will be true. That is what we are checking.
if P is a value, then it is true. Okay, it is
Yeah.
checking the value, right? Just
Yeah.
like if list is not empty, just
Yeah.
like
This while Q like
yes, this is just giving a non-empty value.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that's why this is proceed. Otherwise, it will return 0.
Yeah. If P doesn't have a value, then Q will be 0.
Then key will be 0. So at the last step, P is this will return the 0.
Yeah.
That's why 7 is left. Okay. So what about 4.7? The 4.7, the following C function takes a single linked list of integers as parameter, rearrange the element of the list. The function is called, The function is called with the list containing integer 1, 2, 3 up to 7 in a given order. Okay, what will be the contents of the list after function completes the execution? So here the structure node int value, okay, and rearrange next return. Okay, the same. I think the same question, na? 2005 and 2008. So what will be the output? Same question.
214267.
So this is very important question for your exam purpose. Okay, two times it repeats. 2008 and 2005, 2 marks each. Any queries regarding these two questions? Anyone, please? Any query?
No,
Question
sir.
number question number 4.6 and 4.7.
No, sir. Understood.
Okay, 4.8. What will be the output? 4.8. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
4.8. It modifies the list by moving the last element to the front of the list and returns the modified list, some part of the left line. Okay. So first node structure is given, and then node to front function. Function name is node mode to front. Okay. So head is passed as argument. Two pointers are given, null, and next is null, then return. Okay. So initially this will not be executed. Q is equal to null, P is equal to head. So while P arrow next not is equal to null, then Q is equal to P and P is equal to P arrow next. So return head. So what will be the left? Uh, what will be the this dash line? Any idea? Anyone?
Uh, so only the last element will be moved to the front, no?
Hmm.
That's it. Um, then
It
Q.
modified the last. It modified the list by moving the last element to the front of the list and return the modified list. So
S-
initially your head is not null. So Q is equal to null and P is equal to head. So P starts from your first pointer, and this is for traverse unless until you are not at the last pointer. So P is equal to Q is equal to P and P is equal to P arrow next. This is for proceeding, and then the swapping. I mean the conversion.
yes, I guess that line will be Q next equals to null and P next equals to head
Yes.
and then head equals to P.
Anyone else? Any other idea? So when your P is at the last node, when your P is at the last node, let your P is at this node. Okay. So this is the new problem. Let this is P. You are at the last node, and P is at last node. So what will be the position of Q?
Sir, the second last node. Q will be at the second last node.
Q will be at the second last node. Then you have to, it modified the list by moving the last element to the front, and of the list, and return the modified list. So last element to the front. So this last element now become the front element. Okay. So what should I do?
So firstly, Q next equals to null because second last node will now be the last node.
Yes, second last node. So this node will be the last node. That's why break
Q.
this link and Q arrow next is null. So this is the first case. So this second last node now becomes the last node. Okay.
Then P next equals to head.
Next, P next. So P next is equal to head. Okay. And so this now becomes your head node.
So head equals to P.
Head is equal to P. So first option. So the answer is Q next is equal to null, and P next is equal to head, and head is equal to P. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the 8 questions from the complete. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So any question? Anyone?
No, sir.
আচ্ছা এই কোশ্চেন গুলো কি তোমাদের কাছে আছে?
না, sir.
না স্যার নেই এগুলো।
স্যার
হ্যাঁ।
বলছিলাম স্যার আমাদের 11:30 থেকে পরীক্ষাটা আছে, তাছাড়া আমরা কি স্যার কয়েকজন বেরিয়ে যাবো?
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আজকে তাহলে এই করে দিচ্ছি।